What's up, guys? Michael just pulled up in a Matco truck, so let's go take a look, see what he's got. What are we gonna get today? Y'all had a busy week?
Oh yeah.
Shoot, yeah. That's good. There's a punch set, ain't it?
Yep. 32 pieces worth. $62 for that punch set. How much? 62. That ain't bad at all.
Cheap, man. And then little bitty ones too.
All of them same kind of tip.
$62, that's cheap. That's very nice.
As you can see, we got several loads in Friday when I got home.
Do you have a big...
Yeah, we got stock back up.
Does yours come UPS or?
Yeah.
I bet he loves you then.
He's asked me a couple of times when we're going to be done Christmas shopping.
Did you tell him you hope never?
That's what I told him. I said, man, this ain't
This way
Christmas.
every week.
That's it.
Got a new orange box on here.
Yeah, I wanted to change it up a little bit.
That's a pretty box.
We've had all the kind of dull colors, you know, the dark ones, so I wanted to get something bright.
Yeah, I like it. Well, what you got new this week?
We have the small caliper press there for the smaller vehicles.
Mm-hmm.
But you saw the punch set that I got in. We got our sound bars, wireless sound bars. Those are really popular.
Pretty cool.
Got a magnetic strip on the back. Here you go, let's open it up. It ain't no fun to look at it in a box.
Oh, it's usually more fun.
Yeah. Well, it just depends on if you're using your tools for fun or if you're having to do one of those crap jobs. As you can see, it's got a magnet all the way down the back, so it sticks. Volume. We might have looked at these before.
No?
I've seen them. Can't beat it for the price.
Was it battery operated?
Yeah. Well, it's chargeable. It's rechargeable. It's Bluetooth, or you can hook it up by the cord.
Takes the mini USB.
That's right.
Pretty sharp reading. What do those run?
79.
Did you get that oil drain?
I did.
I'll tell you something.
I actually had it last week and I forgot about it, and you did too, so that's fine.
Be alright. Did I need a 1/2 inch wrench is what I need. I don't know where I got one I'm missing. Oh, are you sell individual ones?
Yeah. Yeah, if I've got one in a set or anything like that, we'll break it open and sell it.
I don't know where it has run off to, but it run off. 1/2 inch. I don't know what I've done with it.
Is it a long or
Just the regular length.
regular length? Is it ratcheting or?
No, just standard.
Let's see. I may not have one. Let's see. I don't have many people ask for those. Yeah, all of mine are metric. I have it in ratcheting, but I don't have it in demo. I can order it for you.
Just order me one, so I ain't gotta have it today, no way.
This is something cool too, man. Which I know everybody's used them, but I put those on the truck. That's new to the truck this week. It's not new to the world, but new to the truck. I really like those in tight spots. So, we got those on the truck now too.
I got a special one for you. got a valve pull wrench that'll fit that?
Valve pull wrench that'll fit that.
Schrader valve.
Well, not for
Huh.
It's an odd one there.
Yeah, I've never seen one like that.
That's the APU for you right there. Always gotta be something crazy with them things.
Can't make no promises, but we can see.
Well, it's got the hard crap, Bill. You ever notice that?
every single time.
Can't have nothing simple. Parts wise or tool wise.
Well, I would have to give the tool men one thing. They do a better job than the parts guys.
That's true. Look at there. Michael say you ask and you shall receive on this
That's
truck.
right.
Is it less than $100?
Well, I'm sure it is.
$98.99. Now he knows what your max price is,
That's
Bill.
right.
You said I never said that. Now he knows what you're expecting to have to pay.
Man, we'll fix you up for $11.05.
Yeah. $11 on a nickel.
That's
What a
right.
bargain. What about the air hammer bit that come in?
It has not come in yet.
Dang, Bill, you have to wait another week on it.
Well, let's hope we don't need it between now and next Friday.
Well, hold on. I'm sorry.
Uh-oh.
Requesting stock. So let me see where I got it at.
Uh-oh.
Not bad.
There, Bill.
I do let my wife check in stuff every once in a while, so.
If the truth's told, your wife probably does a better job because I know mine does.
Well, she does a whole lot better at straightening the truck up. I won't lie.
I get in a hurry and I'll forget a lot of things because I got so much on my brain.
Yeah,
But them women can balance stuff out a lot better. I guess from raising kids, they can figure out how to get more out of their time or something.
Yeah, the time that it takes me to check in the tools and put them on the shelf, I come out the other morning and she had done, checked them in, put them on the shelf, straightened all the shelf stuff, and swept the floor. And I was like,
Awesome.
Go for it.
That's awesome. Them women are amazing now. I know mine keeps me on track. That is a pretty cool little set right there.
Well, you know, and I had it in just a regular box, and I don't think a whole lot of people got to really look at it, so I opened it up and put that around it. That way I could show it off. And I've had so many people pick it up and sold one already.
That's cool. Does that fold down like the pistol grip?
Well,
It's got like a something there.
I don't know, we got that set.
I ain't gonna need him. Them little old bits be everywhere. It'll take you a month to find all them bits.
Well,
Bill looking at that bit set.
I reckon he brought it up here. I really like that bit set.
I do too.
I need to go ahead and order extra ones. I
I know that other one that you got, you know, the smaller one.
Yeah,
It was a good price.
What kind of price you got on that?
$153.
Woo! Well, there's one missing out of here.
One missing.
I don't know, you might could find a reputable Matco dealer somewhere around here close and find a replacement.
Yeah.
But this hole was empty when I bought that kit. What kind of trade you give me on that?
You want to trade or you want to find the pieces?
Trade.
Trade?
Trade up.
How much you want for it?
That's a nice set right here.
I don't know. I don't remember what it gave for it.
Michael said if you bought it from any other Matco dealer, you paid too much. That's just his opinion.
In fact, the one that's missing, I think, is broken.
It's that big old hole for just
Extra screws.
That's right.
If you don't have extra screws,
It ain't done right.
it ain't done right.
yeah. You know what that means when you got extra parts, don't you?
What's that?
You did it better in the factory.
That's right.
Look at all the money that we could save Peterbilt to buy those 6 or 7 nuts and bolts that we don't use. You times that by all the trucks that they build, that's 3 or 4 trucks probably clear profit.
That's right.
You know what you can do right here, Bill? You can glue your magnets and that. That way you won't lose your spare screws. That is a nice bit too.
Call Scott Beekman and tell him that.
Hold on, let's just see. Let's look it up.
That may not have been, but I don't remember anything ever being in it. He ripped me off. It's his fault.
Uh-oh. Tell him about it, Bill.
Come on now.
He'll probably see this video. Tell him about it.
Come on now.
Yeah. Buy nothing else from him.
That is a really nice set.
Yeah, it was $82 brand new, and it was only 16 pieces, and I'm selling you that one for $120.
How many pieces was in this one?
16.
How many is it now?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Oh.
So it did have one. I don't remember everything you're being in that hole.
That's a long time ago. It's hard to remember. It's okay though. It's only $50 off brand new. Okay, he says.
Thanks to my wife asking to borrow a screwdriver. But she's never wrong. She's always right.
So she's got a memory problem.
Oh, she's perfect.
That she can't remember when the last time she was wrong.
What are we talking about?
Get in trouble, Bill. Get in trouble. Alright guys, let me get off here and I'll get Michael paid and we'll show you what all we got. Okay guys, here's what was picked up today. Bill traded in his smaller set, I think it was a 16-piece set, for the 34-piece. Right here's your part number. This is a really nice set. You guys seen it on the truck, but we're gonna look at it again. Because that is a nice set. So Bill traded in some old Matco and got some new Matco. So, ta-da! And this fits the Schrader valve on the high side port of an APU unit, and Michael actually had one in stock, so awesome. So that's what Bill purchased, and here's what I purchased. I had Michael order this air hammer bit because we like the way it's made, and the part number on this thing is a M127. And the reason why I got this one is because Bill actually gave me this one before he bought an air hammer, and it's a Matco, and you can tell we've used it a good bit, and this thing works great. So since Bill gave me this one, I ordered a new one, and that way he can have the new one. So that'll be Bill's. Then we got our oil plug socket. It's a 13 millimeter that was a Matco brand, and it busted on us. So Michael finally got it in and got it warranted, but he told me, here's the deal now. They're gear wrench, not Matco, which Matco was probably made by Gear Wrench originally, but it did have Matco on it, and now it's Gear Wrench on it. So it's gonna be a mismatched set, but at the end of the day, it's still a 13 millimeter, and it still works, and it didn't cost us anything to get it warranted or replaced, so it's all good. Anyway guys, that's my video today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. It's free to subscribe. It don't cost you a dime, so go on and click that button. You guys have a great one. We'll catch you next time.